Sorry, I hit the button. Listen, this part work. Guess there'll be 2 videos again.
Hello?
What?
Hello?
What?
Are you alone there?
For the time being, yeah. But I'm really not,
Oh
though.
my god. Okay, not like that. I know. You are really not alone like that.
No. So what's your purpose in life?
But why didn't you love to have sex?
Why do you scam people, motherfucker?
Why don't you have to love sex?
What kind of answer would you give?
You tell me. Why don't you have to love
I
sex?
told you I don't like to talk about that stuff. Well, dead battery. Have a good one. I ain't gonna listen to that shit. Alright. Let's call the Windows police back some. And, yeah, so I hit the button again. Sorry, guys. I really need an editor. If somebody could help me, please. I can't remember what people gave me. Post it in the comments. I ain't answering no. Hold on. I hear you. Motherfucker. Sometimes this speaker doesn't do right on this phone. It turns off and I miss the calls when they answer because I'm not paying attention. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I don't know if the app gets overheated or what. I can't get it on. Hold on a minute, y'all. Hello? What the hell? I don't understand this. Stupid. Motherfuckers.
Thank you for calling the Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you today?
Yeah, why'd you hang up on me? Am I not who you're looking for? Stupid. Hello?
Thank you for calling Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you?
I can't hear you. You turn your volume up. What's wrong with y'all's phone? Every time I call, it's like really low. Fuck them.
Can I help you?
I'm sorry, what?
You're at Treasury Department. This is accountant. How can I help you today?
Accountant. Well, I got this number. I'm calling back.
Okay, so how can I help you?
Is this pertaining to the grant?
You're calling for a grant.
Is that what
When did
this
you receive a phone?
is that what this is pertaining to? Yeah. The message was kind of like scratchy and stuff, but I happened to get a number. Hello? What's your name?
Yeah, what is the grant ID number?
What's your name?
You're talking with Amanda.
Amanda.
Who are you? What is your name?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what is your name?
Jane.
Jane. All right.
Yeah.
So when did you receive a call from the government?
I didn't. I lied to you.
Okay, so do you have any grant ID code number?
No, I lied to you.
I'm sorry?
Do you like to steal from people?
Come back again, once again.
Do you like to steal from people?
Do you have the government ID code number? If
No.
you're calling for the grant,
No.
I'm sorry.
No, I don't. Not this time. Okay, yay. 315-367-4709. And I'll have a code number. You can fuck with them for a while. I had to roll up out of here. I'm sorry if it was shitty today, but got some good wasting time videos for you guys. And so, yeah. Hope y'all have a good day. Peace out.